Now, I know I'm a little late to the game. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadgetbeard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video, let's talk about the Google Pixel Fold. Yes, breaking news about a week ago. But you know what I'm saying? Everybody was breaking out the news, so you didn't need to hear it from me. But now that you've seen the device, a rendering of the device, you know, it's been confirmed technically that it's gonna come out sometime next year in May. I wanted to see if you guys were genuinely interested in picking up a premium Google Pixel Fold, and I wanted to know some of your use cases, because I personally had the the Galaxy Fold 3. Now, it was a great device, but personally I just didn't find a use case scenario for it. It was a little bit too bulky, and I didn't like the front display. Now, I know this device is going to have a little bit of a different form factor. It's going to be more like the Vivo one, I believe. So it's going to have a bigger, more usable front screen, and it's going to open up obviously and expand on the screen. But when it comes to use cases, what are some of the best ways you can utilize a folding device, whether it be a Galaxy Fold 3, Galaxy Fold 4, or the newly released Google Pixel Fold? Now, yes, am I excited? Yes. One of the reasons why I'm more excited for the Pixel Fold than the Galaxy Fold, it's because of the Pixel experience. I am eager to see what the Pixel experience is going to be like with a Fold device. I want to see how Google is going to push the boundaries and what use case scenarios are going to be presenting when they launch this device. Super excited to see what this device is going to be. And a lot of people are not talking about this, but is it going to have stylus support? Because nobody's talking about a stylus, and if it does not have stylus support, then why get a Fold, right? Part of the Fold being the Fold is because you can utilize the stylus, and it makes everything a lot easier. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about the Fold. This was just a quick video, the Pixel Fold, not the Galaxy Fold. Just was a quick video just to spark up some conversation. I know you guys seen the device, it absolutely looks fantastic, but just let me know down in the comment section below what do you guys think about it. What are some of the use case scenarios you think you're going to be able to utilize this device, and what do you expect from the Pixel software experience for the Pixel Fold? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.